It's me, your girl here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakari Joe. Yay! Welcome back to my channel. And to my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button because I make videos every Friday. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make whole wheat brown bread with grains. For my fig farms in the house, this is for you. So guys, come, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need to make your whole wheat brown bread. So here I have 500 grams of flour, and here 500 grams of whole wheat brown flour, 10 grams of butter, and 17 grams of salt. And here 20 grams of fresh yeast and about 8 grams of dried yeast, 600 grams of water, cold tap water. And here are my grains. In here I have 20 grams of pumpkin seed, 20 grams of sunflower, 20 grams of sesame seeds, 20 grams of linseed, the white one, and 20 grams of linseed, also the brown one. So yeah, I mix everything together. I'll just show you. Here is the pumpkin seeds, and here is the sunflower seeds. Here the brown and the white linseed. And in there you also have sesame seed. So now first, before we begin, I'm just going to put water on this grains so it can absorb the water, because if you put it in your bread like this, the way it's dried, when you finish baking, you will find that the grains are too dried in your bread. So you just put water until the level of the grains, just like this. I'm going to fill it up with water, so by the time I finish kneading my dough, the grains will already absorb the water. So I'll put in water and I'll let you see. So guys, I put in some water just until the level of my grains. With my washed hands, I'll just stir it a bit so all the grains will get in the water. We'll set this aside for later. My baking pan already greased with some butter, lightly greased. Let's get started. My yeast first under, and my flour, and butter, and the salt, and the water. We're going to knead this dough in total of 6 minutes, but on a low speed we'll give it 2 minutes, and then we will put on a high speed for 4 minutes. So guys, you can see my grains. It has absorbed all the water on it. You can see. We'll put it in our dough and let it knead for 1 minute so that all your grains goes in the dough. Alright guys, our dough is ready. You can see all our grains in the dough. We will leave this to rest for 20 minutes. Just a little bit of flour on it. Keep it moist. This always has to be done. After 20 minutes, our dough is rising a bit. Just put some flour and then you press a bit 9:20, 9:21. It's no problem. Make a ball. Don't put flour on the surface, otherwise it's going to be slippery. So on this one also, you can see all the grain. We'll leave this again to rise for 5 minutes. Okay. All right. After 5 minutes, we're ready to put our dough in the pan. Press out some air as well. All right. Take here and here. You're done. A little bit. You can see all the grains on it. And when putting your dough in the pan, make sure the lock, where you roll your bread, make sure it's under. Otherwise, when it's up, you put it like this, it can open. Our bread is in the pan. We will leave this to rise for 50 to 70 minutes. But in 15 minutes time, we'll come to give it a design like I like to do with my bread. Total time of rising after putting your dough in the pan, it's 50 to 70 minutes. At this time, you want to preheat your oven at 240 degrees. So our bread is fully risen. Okay. You can see the initial of my name. Now we're going to put in the oven. Try to make sure you give space in between. When you have two breads, try to give space in between the pans so that the heat can go through all around. When they are together, maybe the side there's no much heat that comes in. Now we're going to steam again. Leave your steamy tray for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you take the tray out. But we're going to bake this bread in total of 45 to 50 minutes. Our bread is ready. This one off. Oh my goodness. Just take a look at this. Take a look at these guys. Look at my initial. Oh my gosh. This is good. Okay, so I'll just bring it out and let it cool down. Just take a look at this. Nicely baked. Front and back. Nicely baked. You can see. This is so nice. Perfect. Perfect. So we'll leave it here to cool down. Careful. Just whoop. This. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.